So, it's extra time. You need to learn how to reference APA style for your next paper. Don't panic, Ivory Research is here to explain how. We have the only step-by-step guide you will need to learn this style quickly, and more importantly, correctly. So, choosing to further your academic career with the assistance of Ivory Research can help you obtain the grades you deserve and the high-paid jobs you deserve. So, from personal statements to CVs and not forgetting the all-important essays and dissertations, Ivory Research can help you with your academic journey at every step of the way. If you are too busy to watch this video, don't worry. Hop on over to ivoryresearch.com, where you will find comprehensive information on this and lots more with our complete student assistance programs. Let's look at the APA style of referencing now, shall we? APA style is used by papers produced in relation to the social sciences, such as psychology or sociology. Are you ready to know how? It's the end of the game. We're going to knock it in. Let's go! APA is a super simple in-text citation style, which are very short references within the text. You will also need your reference list as an entry at the end. You should include in them every single time you directly quote or paraphrase ideas or words that belong to somebody else. You need to know the difference between the two variations of citations, which are called a narrative citation and paraphrasing citations. So here's the difference. Narrative citations or direct citations are placed within the body of the text and directly quotes another person and will be written with just two pieces of information: the surname of the author and the year of publication in brackets like this. You could write Cooper, then open brackets, then the year of publication, then close your brackets. This is one super simple like this. A paraphrase citation or a parenthetical citation is where there is no direct quote, but there is a reference to a general theme or idea of another, and will go like this. Open brackets, the surname of the author, then a comma, then the year of publication, then close your brackets like this example here. There are a few variations of your citations that come in when there is more than one named author. So for one named author, it's surname, followed by the date in brackets for a direct quote, or for an in reference to citation, it is the surname, then the year all in brackets. For two named authors, you simply put the and sign in the middle of the surnames in whichever variation of citation you were using. With three or more named authors, your reference will use the leading surname of the main author, then you can put et al. After this, but before the date of publishing. That was super easy, right? Probably about as easy as winning a game of football, but we'll talk about that on another day. Don't forget to create a separate reference page at the end of your document. Your reference page will come at the end and will include all of your sources. For ease, be sure to copy and paste the entries from your in-text citations as you go along, but the presentation of the authors' names will need to be listed differently and alphabetically. And that's that. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button. If you need help with your assignment, essay, dissertation, or you need your paper to be proofed, approach Ivory Research support team to get assistance. Thank you and good luck. Are you ready for the next referencing style?